Hello, it's High Tech All. You are watching Top 5 Best Treadmills. More info on the products, we've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Before we get started, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Number 5. Soul Fitness Folding Treadmill. 6 standard programs, 2 custom programs, and 2 hard programs, cooling fans and MP3 compatible sound system, 7.5-inch LCD workout display, 3.5 chp DC type motor with 0.5 to 12 mph speed range, 0 to 15% rack and pinion gear, design incline, 2-ply belt, pulse grip and chest strap heart rate monitoring. Number 4. Bullflex Treadmill. Stay motivated with 10 unique workout programs, with unlimited user profiles, on the 7-inch touch screen. The JRNY experience assesses your fitness level, creates daily adaptive workouts that automatically adjust as you improve over time, and provides coaching and feedback that guides you through your workouts. Number 3. Nautilus Treadmill. Bluetooth connectivity, syncs with the Nautilus Trainer 2 app and other apps, for fitness tracking. 15% motorized incline. Robust 6.89 cm, crown rollers. 20 inches to 60 inches gym quality, running path. 26 customized training programs. Number 2. RUNOW Curved Treadmill. When using the Curved Treadmill, you can run at your own speed. Compared with the traditional treadmill, it consumes 30% more calories what you do outdoors. It does not affect your ankles, knees, hips and back. There are also custom functions to help you achieve your sports goals. Number 1. NordicTrack Treadmills. -3% to 15% incline controls, 22 inches HD touchscreen, folding space-saver design, automatic trainer control. Our iFit trainer auto-adjusts your smart treadmill speed and incline for an optimized workout that meets your goals.